This is not an ad to some weird upscaling website that's going to ask you to buy credits, so you can trust me on this one. You're going to need two software, which are DaVinci Resolve, which is a free app that you can download from the description, and the other one is called Upscale, which is also in my description. Once you download those two softwares, you can continue on the video, import your clips in DaVinci, cut it to your liking. And now go to the export page, which looks like a rocket on the bottom of the screen. In the export menu, change the format to PNG. You can find that if you scroll down. After that, in the location, press Browse and select a folder or create a new folder. And make sure there is nothing else on that folder. Once you export the vid into PNG files, we can go ahead and open Upscale. Turn on Batch Upscale, and now select your upscaling method depending on your video. You don't have to select the individual photos, but rather the folder like I did. If it's anime or any 2D animation, then scroll down to the bottom and select Digital Art. And if your clip is a movie or any IRL clip, then select Standard Upscale Light. But if the clip is really short, like 10 seconds, then I recommend using Standard Upscaler, which gives better results but is demanding and could take longer to render, and then simply upscale and try to turn on the AC while doing this, or at least make sure the fan circulation is good, because this upscaling software uses your PC instead of a server. That's why it's free. And don't put your laptop in the fridge just because it's getting hot while upscaling. It will ruin your battery. Just use a slightly wet cloth. Not too wet though. Put it on your keyboard, it will cool and not block the airflow. And if you are a desktop user, don't be putting wet cloths on your keyboard, it won't do shit. Once you've upscaled your photos, open DaVinci Resolve again and delete the video only, not the audio. Unless you don't want the audio, then create a new bin in the media pool and the select import media, and then go the folder that you initially exported the clip into PNG files. You can notice that there is new folder inside the folder that you created, and press Ctrl+A to select all the photos and press open. Now all the upscaled photo have been imported to the media pool. Now you're going to left click on the media pool and press Ctrl+A to select them all, and then drop them to the timeline. After that, same as before, Ctrl+A. But I have an audio, so I'm just going to select photos manually. After that, right-click and select Change Clip Duration. Then click on Frames and change the frames to 1. After that, you are going to notice a lot of gaps in between the photos. To solve that, click on Edit on the top left corner, then select Delete Gaps, which will solve our problem, and that's it. You now have a video. But sometimes the video happens to play faster than the actual video. In that case, change the frames to 2. Anyways, I used an AI audio. I know it's annoying to hear, but I'm sorry, man. I can afford a good mic now. I don't even have a mic, so I'm gonna just use the clanker voice for a little longer. And also, if you found this helpful, please subscribe. I need to feed my family of 10. In the next video, I will show you how to increase the FPS of your clips. This is usually used in anime edits, specifically AMV edits. If you are interested in my content and you can bear the clanker voice, then subscribe. Bye-bye.